Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert a PowerPoint document to PDF online and for free. To start, click the Convert tab and then click the PowerPoint to PDF widget. Drop your PowerPoint file or upload it from your device or your cloud storage service. AvePDF supports Microsoft PPT, PPTX and PPTM conversion to PDF. Our tool will automatically start to convert the file. Download the converted PDF file to your computer or save it directly to your cloud storage service. All documents processed with AvePDF are automatically deleted from our servers after 30 minutes. If you prefer, you can delete your file manually right after processing by clicking the bin icon. You can even go a step further and hypercompress your documents if you need it even lighter and more optimized. You will benefit from the latest technology to hypercompress your file and reduce its size by up to 99%. By compressing your files, you contribute to a more sustainable future. Have fun using AvePDF tools.